Good morning students, I hope you all are doing well. In the last video we have seen exercise 6.3 question number 1 and today in this video we are going to continue with question number 2. Let us start students. So question 2, fill up with greater than, less than or equal to sign. Okay, no problem. First point students, minus 3 plus minus 6 dash minus 3 minus minus 6. So two sides are given, you have to tell which one is greater. But now itself you can't answer which one is greater, smaller or less than or equal to. You have to solve and then only you can answer. You have to solve the integers first and then you can answer the greater than or less than. Let us see how to solve. How to solve the integers is very clear to you, isn't it? Let us take the first part students. Take the value out of the bracket, plus minus minus 6. Okay. Then both the integers are negatives. You are going to add minus minus plus. 3 plus 6 will give you 9. 6 is the greater number with negative sign. So answer will also be negative integer minus 9. Let us solve this side now. So minus 3. Then here minus minus plus. Okay. Then minus 3 plus 6. Minus plus minus. So 3 minus 6, 3. 6 is the greater number with positive sign. So 3 will also be a positive integer. Okay students. Now you decide minus 9 is greater or 3 is greater or they are equal to, or which is the sign that we are going to put here. We know that always a positive integer is greater than the negative integer, isn't it? Positive integer will always be greater than the negative integer. That means here second integer is greater than the first one. Okay, so first is minus 9 is less than 3. Clear students? Like this, first solve and then you can put the signs. Next point, minus 21, again minus minus plus. Okay, then first is negative, another one is positive. So we are going to subtract minus plus minus. 21 minus 10 will give you 11, 10, 10, 20, yeah. 21 is the greater number, so minus 11 I am going to write here for this. Minus 31, now plus minus minus 11. Both the numbers are negative. So students, minus minus plus will get 42. 31 is the greater number with negative sign. So in answer also we have written negative sign. Clear? If you have any confusion in putting the signs or for clubbing up the signs, you can check the previous videos. Okay, check the previous videos, you will get it. Now minus 11, minus 42. Now tell which one is greater, smaller. Minus 11 is greater than minus 42 or it is smaller than minus 42. If you know the rules, if you have cleared the concept, then this point is should be clear to you that as the negative number increases, its value decreases. So here minus 42, okay, will be less than minus 11. Clear? So here I am going to put this sign. Yeah, as minus 42 is the greater number. Okay, and if you are taking it with negative sign, so for negative number, as the number increases, its value decreases. So that's why minus 11 is greater than minus 42. Clear? Okay, point number C students now. 45 minus minus plus 11. 45 plus 11 will get 56. Clear? Then 57 plus minus minus 4. 57 minus 4 will give you 53. 5, 6, 7. 56 is greater or 53 is greater students? 56 will be greater. Like this we are going to put the sign. Last point, let us solve. Minus 25 minus minus plus. Okay. Negative, positive, minus plus minus. So 25 minus 42 will get 35, 42. 17. Okay, plus 17 or minus 17, a positive 17 because 42 is the greater number with positive sign. So here I have written plus sign. Then this part minus 42. Then students minus minus plus 25. Okay. Then minus plus minus 42 minus 25 I will get 17 as 42 is the greater number with negative sign. So in answer also I will get a negative sign. Now 17 is greater than minus 17. Isn't it? Positive integer is always greater than the negative integer. So students, in this manner we have put the sign after solving the integers. Okay, after finding their values, when we got the final integer, then only we can decide which one is greater and which one is smaller. Note it down. We will see the next question. Question number 3, students. Again fill in the blanks. First point, minus 8 plus something, the result will be 0. So students, you know that minus plus minus, that means here you are going to subtract only. Okay, but which number I should subtract with 8 to get 0? 8 only. If I will write like this, then see, minus plus minus and minus 8 plus 8, minus plus minus 8 minus 8, 0. So 8 is our answer. Okay, point B, students. 13 plus something will give you 0. So how we will get 0? When we will subtract 13 from 13, then only we can get 0, na? But if I write 13 like this, then see, 13 plus 13 will give us 26, but I want 0. So what to do, students? Here I have to subtract 13, and for subtracting it, what I have done, look, I have taken minus 13. Now what will happen? Plus minus minus. 13 minus 13 will give you 0. So students, this fill-ups only you can solve when the basic of integers is clear to you. Okay, next one, plus minus minus, 12 minus 12, 0. Okay, point number D. Minus 4 added with something will get minus 12. Now what should I add? Minus plus minus. So students, here anyhow we are going to subtract only. Okay, but while subtracting I should get minus 12, means a negative number is going to come here. Okay, I don't know that number, but it is sure that it will be a negative integer, so I have written minus. Now you only think what to do to get minus 12 here, students. Okay, which integer will be which negative integer will come here, so on solving we will get minus 12. First you decide plus minus minus, and here minus 4 is given. That means minus minus plus we are going to get. We are going to add the integers. So students, if I write 8 here, then see what will happen. Minus 4 plus minus minus 8. Clear? Then minus minus plus 8 is the greater number, so negative sign will come in the answer also. See how much you are getting. You are getting minus 12. So like this we decided that surely the integer will be a negative integer, so I have already written minus. Then we have to see, plus minus will give us minus only. So both the integers, when they will be negative, we are going to add them. So by that I identified that here minus 8 is going to come. Okay. Now E point, what we shall subtract, with which number we should subtract 15 to get minus 10, students. Minus 15, it is written with minus sign. Answer also has minus sign. So if I will deduct 5 from 15, what I will get? I will get minus 12. Plus minus minus. So 5 minus 15, I will get minus 10. So these are your answers for the fill up. I hope it is clear. Note it down, and then we will see the last question of this exercise. So students, question number 4, find. Again it is same question, it is same as you have solved in exercise 6.2. Okay, same pattern question. First step is to take the values out of the bracket. So minus 7, minus 8, minus minus plus. So plus 25. Clear, students? Okay. Then let us solve minus 7 and minus 8 first, as both are negative integers. It will be easier for us to solve them. So minus minus plus, 7 plus 8 will give us 15. 8 is the greater number among these two with negative sign. So in answer also I will write negative sign. Then copy plus 25. Okay, students. Now minus plus minus, 15 minus 25, I will get 10. Greater number here is 25, which is a positive integer. So 10 will be also a positive integer. Okay, solved. Clear? Point number B, again take the values out of the bracket. Minus 13 plus 32. I can solve this, two students here only. Minus minus plus, 8 plus 1, 9. Minus 9, as 8 is the greater number with negative sign, so I have written minus sign here also. Okay, now let us solve this two first. Okay, minus plus minus. So minus 13 plus 32, we have to subtract. So 12 minus 3 I'll get 9. Then 2 minus 1, 1. 32 is a greater number with plus sign, so 19 will also be a positive integer. Then copy minus 9. 19 minus 9, I'll get 10 as the answer. Clear, students? So positive 10. Point number C, students. Again take the values out of the bracket. Minus 7 plus minus minus 8 plus minus minus 90. Clear? Let us solve this two first. Minus minus plus. So 7 plus 18, 15. Okay, 8 is the greater number among these two with negative sign. So with 15 also I'll write negative sign. Then minus 90. Now again minus minus plus. 90 plus 15 will give us 105. As 90 is the greater number with negative sign, so here in answer also I'll put negative sign. Minus 105. Point number D, students. 50. Then minus minus plus. Again minus minus plus. All the numbers are positive integers, so simply add them. 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 2, 92. So students, with this, in such an easy manner we have solved this question number 4 also, and also we have completed exercise 6.3, and also we have completed chapter number 6, integers. Okay students, so this is a very short and simple chapter. Only 2 rules you have to remember. First rule is rule for that addition and subtraction, and second one is while adding or subtracting, see the number which is the greater number and what sign it is having. That sign only will appear in your answer. So students, with this we have completed the chapter. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can contact your concerned teachers, or also you can clear it in the live session. That's all for today, students. Thank you.